On 30th of October, due to vigilant surveillance of Khatkhati police, as many as 24,000 kilograms of Burmese Supari was recovered at Khatkhati police check gate along National Highway 39. It was reported that Khatkhati police, while performing its routine checking at the checkpoint, a 10-wheeler LP truck bearing registration number RJ39GA0759 was intercepted in suspicion of carrying some contrabands along with it. Upon rigorously search, Khatkhati police recovered 300 bags of dried betel nuts, Burmese Supari, from the truck. Bhagirath Sharma, driver of the truck, was arrested in connection to this case. The truck was destined to transport the contrabands to Rajasthan. Raju Dwara, OC of Khatkhati police station, informed the media that the value of the contraband seized could be worth Rs 4 crores if sold in an open market. The case was supervisioned by John Das, APS SDP of Bokajan. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.